Yeah, good evening, guys. So now the session is all about the difference between the machine learning terms and the deep learning terms. Okay. So coming to the machine learning terms and deep learning terms, I told you that these both are the learning, right? Machine learning and deep learning is nothing but making our data to learn from. Oh, sorry, making our machine, or I can say, understand our machine to learn from data. Got it? Three main words. Our machine is going to learn from data, that is going to known as learning. We are having total two learnings, machine and deep learning. Got it? So now guys, where which type of learning is going to use that thing we are going to learn in this session. So basically we had two different parts, right? So let's take the real time scenario example. Suppose let's say take the examples like if I want to see more if I want to see beautiful dolphin. The topic is all about dolphin. If I want to see more beautiful dolphin, what I will do? I can take the ship or boat, and I can go to the center of the sea. Got it? Got my point, guys? What is happening here? If I want to see more beautiful dolphin, what I can do? I can take the ship or boat and I go to the center of the sea. There I can find out so many dolphin. Right? In this machine learning, what is happening? My dolphin is the data. Understood? Understood, right, guys? So in machine learning, my data is all about dolphin. Dolphin is my data, right? And now coming to the dolphin, we are having different features. Their color are different. Yes, their shape and size are same. Maybe we can say baby dolphin, mama dolphin, like that. So क्या हो रहा है ना यहाँ पे, like the data is only one but the data's categories are different, like baby dolphin, mummy dolphin, their colors, like that. This is all about machine learning, guys. Okay, there's a dolphin and this dolphin is having certain features like color, like features, which means shape, baby or mama dolphin, like that, their name identifications, right? So these all are done in the scenario one, which is machine learning. Now coming to the deep learning, what is happening? I was not satisfied with dolphin. Okay, I went to the Goa and I saw a dolphin into the center of the sea, but I was not satisfied with the dolphin, and my excitement is like I want to see more and more beautiful fishes. So then what I can do? There is so many options. I can go with the scuba diving, right? I can go with scuba diving. Yes. Once I go with the scuba diving, there I can saw so many fishes. Yes, so many fishes, in which every fishes are having their own features, shape, size, color, behavior. Right? Got it? So shape, size, color, behavior. अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, if I was talking about starfish, starfish. So starfish, I will going to recognize based on the shape. Yes, jellyfish. That also I will going to understand based on the shape. So what is happening in the scuba diving? I was not talking about the data. I was not talking about the fish. I was talking about the features of the fishes. Understood? So in deep learning, what I was doing now is in machine learning directly I was talking about dolphin. But coming to the deep learning, I was not talking about the fishes. I was talking about the features. So it's very clear coming to the features of the dolphin. Sorry, fishes are like here. What is happening? Let's take the example of starfish. Okay, so I can say starfish shape look like this. है ना? Through this shape, through this shape only we are understanding this is the starfish, right? And jellyfish. Jellyfish is also we are understanding this is jellyfish based on the shape. Got it? Yes or no? And also including dolphin. We can find out here so many dolphin also. राइट जो चीज़ अपन मशीन लर्निंग में कर रहे थे वही चीज़ अपन डीप लर्निंग में भी कर रहे हैं व्हाट इज दैट इन मशीन लर्निंग वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डॉल्फिन बट कमिंग टू डीप लर्निंग आल्सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डॉल्फिन राइट सो इंक्लूडिंग विद डॉल्फिन वी कैन सॉ so many fishes like jellyfish हो गया आपका starfish हो गया right and snake fish different kind of fishes are there but we are not talking directly about the fishes we are talking about the features गॉट इट गाइस. सो मशीन लर्निंग और डीप लर्निंग के बीच में अगर डिफरेंसेस अगर आप पूछोगे, सो इट्स वेरी क्लियर. एक्सपीरियंस से लर्न करता है. ओके. मशीन लर्निंग इज गोइंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस, बट कमिंग टू डीप लर्निंग, नो नीड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. यू विल गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन द न्यू डेटा. ठीक है. उसको एक्सपीरियंस की जरूरत नहीं. ऑलरेडी वाज कमिंग टू द डीप लर्निंग, इट वाज ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस. whatever the output we are going to give, whatever the testing data we will show to the machine is going to predict something which is regarding to the input data, right? So the second thing is like मशीन लर्निंग में हमारे पास जो भी डेटा रहता है उसके एक रिक्वायरमेंट रहते हैं, राइट? रिक्वायरमेंट रहते हैं. दैट रिक्वायरमेंट शुड बी लिमिटेड. लिमिटेड ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट विल बी देयर, बट कमिंग टू ईयर, not limited. We can take n number of data. We can take n number of data. Got it? And guys, machine learning और deep learning का जो main scenario जो चल रहा है, we know that here if we are talking about one or two data, two different class of a data. Class क्या होता है वो मैं बताऊंगा. Here we can say n classes we can take n classes, number of classes we can take in the deep learning, right? So machine learning, deep learning, both are learning, but the main scenario is machine learning is only working for the few amount of data, but coming to the deep learning, not like that. We can go with the number of data, right? And machine learning is always learned from the experience, but coming to deep learning, no need of any experience. Already it was experienced, so that's why we need to go with the any random testing data. So machine can give you the output which is relatable to the similar to the input data. And coming to the deep learning, we are going through the features, but coming to the machine learning, directly we are going to the data. So these are the scenarios happening, guys, in machine learning and deep learning, right? So that's it, guys, all about the machine learning and deep learning का. सी बहुत सिंपल क्लैरिफिकेशन मैं आप लोगों को करवा रहा हूँ कि ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज नहीं हो रहा है AI/ML के टर्म्स को. You need to try to learn, you need to try to understand the topic with the help of the real time examples, है ना? Don't track the scenario into the depth. Just someone is asking you the questions, so go with the flow. Okay, this is this, that is that, right? I hope you are all are understanding what I was trying to explain you guys. So thanks for your valuable time. Thank you so much.